What's up, mother father? For today's video, magpapakartin tayo ng sasakyan dahil ito lang ang available sa kasa na pre-tint. Dadagdagan natin. So it's summer na, masakit sa mata, it's protection para sa ating mata. Let's go!
Kuya Wigs at Limestone Car Accessories. CAMARINES NORTE. How it all happens. When you arrive at the tinting shop, a technician will take your car to a wind, earth, and dust-free space, usually a large indoor garage or an interior bay. The tinting professionals will remove dirt and debris and prep your car's windows on both sides with a solution of soap and water, a sponge, and a squeegee. The installer will measure your car's windows and cut pieces of film from a master roll to fit those measurements. The film is then laid out on the exterior surface of the car window, where it's cut down more precisely. Next, installers use a heat gun to heat shrink the film. This step contours the flat sheet so it curves to the glass. Once they've cut the film to the same shape as the window, installers will remove it and position it on a pane of glass known as a peel board to refine the edges and carve out the finer details. One critical step to take during this stage of the process is to round out the corners. By rounding out the sharp edges on the corners, the installer ensures the film will not get caught or peel when the window rolls up and down. Another heating to ensure fitting. Then final touch cutting. Once the film is properly sized and shaped, it's time to install it onto the window's interior surface. First, the tinting professional sprays soapy water onto the window alongside the film itself. This solution activates the film's adhesive and allows the sheet to glide along the glass until it's correctly positioned. Then, if they haven't already, the installer peels off the release liner and applies the film to the window, adhesive side down. They'll use a squeegee to push out any excess solution under the film and press the film firmly to the glass to activate the adhesive that secures it to the window. The installer also uses specialized plastic scrapers in different shapes to remove any bubbles, smooth out the edges, and ensure the film is correctly inserted into the window's rubber lining. After the material is in place, they may also use the heat gun again to help dry the soapy water and further contour the film to the curve of the window. You'll experience the benefits of your car's newly tinted windows. Right away, enjoy your drive home free from harmful ultraviolet UV rays, annoying glare, and uncomfortable heat. How much for windshield only? Brand available 3MP 2,600 pesos. TITA and IUMP 2,200 pesos other. Pay 1,800 pesos. Please like and subscribe. Kuya Wigs and Family TV.